Hi.
Hi everyone.
Mel here.
And Mark.
Mark. We're at the TV Farmhouse having our first annual, let's call it Castagne Pick-Nic, which is Chestnut picnic. And behind us you'll see lots of our friends and family, mainly Sicilian family, who are teaching us how to do chestnuts right. So we've just finished lunch, huge lunch, and now we're going to head out to the Chestnut orchard. And in order to roast chestnuts, for those who haven't seen it before, here is a DIY chestnut pan. Essentially it's just a fry pan with drilled holes to make sure it gets the right temperature, flame, heat through to roast the chestnuts. Once we get the chestnuts, we're going to pop them in here and over the fire and wait for them to open up.